Today I'm making brown sugar roasted carrots on a bed of whipped ricotta. This is perfect for any holiday meal or an everyday meal. Let's rock it out. I am going to start off here with 10 ounces of carrots, and you can do up to a pound with this recipe. I'm going to go ahead and peel them and rinse them, and then I'm going to move them onto a sheet pan which I have lined with parchment paper. I am going to drizzle them with just a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. For my spices, I'm adding a teaspoon of cumin, a half of a teaspoon of coriander, an eighth of a teaspoon of cinnamon, just to give it a little background of cinnamon, along with 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and a nice big pinch of kosher salt, along with some black pepper. I'm going to toss these around really well. Get everybody nice and coated and everything. And then I'm going to spread them out onto my sheet pan so that everybody has plenty of room to roast and not steam. These are going into the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. While my carrots are roasting, I'm going to make my ricotta bed, starting with 2 ounces of cream cheese. And I'm just going to cream this a little bit. Once it looks like this, I'm going to go ahead and scrape the sides of my bowl and add in 1 cup of ricotta cheese, 1 tablespoon of heavy cream, a small pinch of kosher salt, a little bit of orange zest, and you can do this to your own taste. I'm going to do maybe 1/4 to half of the orange just to get a little of the flavor in there. Mix it up. And it should look nice and whippy like this. Give it a taste, make sure you're happy with the flavors. And go ahead and put this to the side or in the refrigerator depending on how far along your carrots are. To make the hot maple syrup, I'm going to combine 1/4 cup of maple syrup along with 1/2 of a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. I'm going to put this into the microwave for 20 seconds. And when it comes out, I'm going to give it a nice little stir. Make sure that your honey is nice and hot so that the heat will actually transfer over. Once your pepper flakes have steeped for 20 to 30 minutes, go ahead and strain the mixture into a different dish. Then I'm going to stir in 1/2 of a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. I'm also adding in the itty bittiest pinch of salt. Go ahead and stir that in, and this is ready. Here are my beautiful carrots fresh out of the oven. You just want to take a fork, make sure that they're easy to stab into, that they're nice and soft, because obviously we don't want to be serving hard carrots. To plate this up, I'm going to put a nice pile of that ricotta mixture right into my little serving dish and kind of spread it around. While they are still nice and warm, we're going to go ahead and add our carrots on there. Give them a nice drizzle of spicy maple syrup. Sprinkle them with some crushed up pistachios for a little bit of color and a little bit of crunch and obviously flavor. And we have a beautiful side dish. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and happy cooking, everyone.